The fully automatic anilox roll cleaners are designed to deep clean and restore anilox rolls of all sizes. It is a very reliable tool for the daily washing and maintenance of your aniloxes. The Flexo Wash system is based on liquid and high pressure water, therefore the system is effective even for high-line aniloxes. The quick and gentle cleaning process leaves the aniloxes totally clean and ready for immediate use after just 10 to 20 minutes of cleaning without causing any wear or tear to the anilox. All Flexo Wash new anilox cleaning machines are produced with the .NXT features, which means easier handling, improved technology, and focus on less liquid consumption and sustainable solutions. Enhanced qualities of the .NXT units include better and faster drainage, automatic liquid filling, easy access pull-out tank, liquid level indicator, improved lid design, and easy adjustment of traction stations. This makes it possible to always keep your aniloxes totally clean, ensuring a high and consistent print quality and a long lifetime of your aniloxes.